Okay, dear students, let's get started with the reading and explanation of unit number 4, that is first aid. So first of all, you are supposed to come to page number 38 of unit number 4, that is first aid. Well, this is your first paragraph. I'm just going to read it and then explain it to you. Further, I'm going to tell you the meanings of all difficult words, and we are also going to discuss what sort of literary devices that the writer has used in this lesson. We are also going to discuss the lesson in such terms as well. We all need help at times in our lives. Sometimes we may have accidents and we may get hurt. When we are injured or suddenly become unwell, we need someone to help us, someone who knows what to do. It is the temporary and immediate help. This timely assistance, comprising simple medical techniques, is most critical to the victims and is often life saving. Any layperson can be trained to administer first aid. This first aid can be carried out using minimal equipment. First aid knowledge ranges from taking care of cuts to dealing with an unconscious victim. Dear students, as you can see on your screen, some of the words and the phrases that I have highlighted over here, there is a purpose behind it because these are all difficult vocabulary words and you need to know the meanings of all these words. Okay, this is the first paragraph that I have given the reading. In this first paragraph, we are told that we need help at times in our lives, like God forbid, if we meet an accident or we may get injured. So we are not in such a condition to help ourselves. So definitely we need someone else. And then the question arises that what is the importance of knowledge of first aid in crisis management? Dear students, this question you can see in your text box. That is a margin question over here. Like, what is the importance of knowledge of first aid in crisis management? So crisis management is that when you have an emergency, then how would you manage it? If you meet an accident, if you have an injury, if you get injured, so how would you manage it? So if someone has the full knowledge of the first aid, if someone has the knowledge of the initial help, one can provide immediate medical treatment, immediate medical help to all the suffering people. The person can be injured, the person can be wounded, the person can be sick. So timely assistance here, it means as it is written over here, like timely assistance. So timely assistance, basically it means that you are providing help on time, like timely treatment that you are providing to someone. And these timely assistance comprising simple medical techniques that you are supposed to learn. And these simple techniques are sometimes and often life-saving. That you are basically like, what does this very word life-saving means? Like, this very word means that you are saving the life of the victim. You are saving the life of an injured. You are saving the life of a sick person. So by using minimal equipments, you can give first aid, you can give initial treatment, initial help to the injured or victim. So minor cuts or bleedings can be dealt easily. I am just talking about only minor cuts or bleeding, and if you get wounded or injured and if you have some scrapes, so that bleeding or cuts, like minor cuts, can be dealt very easily if a person has a knowledge of first aid. I hope that you have understood this paragraph in which we are told what is crisis management and how you have to deal if a patient suffers from a minor cut or bleeding or may get hurt or injured. Then a person can help the other one if he has the knowledge of the first aid. Well, dear students, some of the words which are highlighted over here, you need to know the meaning of all these words. Number one, you have the word temporary, which means permanent, not permanent, temporary, which is not permanent, and then immediate. Immediate means right away, happening something right away with no delay. Okay, timely, something which is on time. And assistance, as I have told you, that is aid or help. And comprising, it means consists of. And then you have the word administer. Administer means supervise, a person who can supervise. And then you have minimal. Minimal means like smallest one. And unconscious, you have the very word unconscious as well. Unconscious means like the person having no awareness. And then you have victim as well, which is not highlighted over here, but the very last word of this paragraph, which means injured. Okay, now you can see two of the phrases which are also underlined over here: to help and to do. What is this? Yes, this is infinitive. So you are supposed to underline these two infinitives in this paragraph as well.